Hi everyone, I'm Yoon. Today I want to tell all of you about drugs abuse or drug addiction. You know who Ramli Omar is, or known as Pak Long? Okay, Ramli Omar is a drug addict who has repented. He stuck with the problem of heroin type drug abuse for almost 37 years. He started taking drugs when he was in Form 3 again in 1974. He said that he started by taking drugs because of himself alone who want to try new things. Pak Long continues his diploma studies at the Institute of Technology Mara ITM Shah Alam in Malay literature, then become an educator. He still continues to be addicted to drugs despite already serving as an educator. During his 37 years of heroin addiction, Pak Long has been detained at a rehabilitation center 3 times and jailed 4 times for drug possession offenses. At first, he used the CAM method by mixing heroin into cigarettes, but in the end, he used a direct needle. This picture is Ramli Omar or Pak Long, and he is also, and this is the example picture of direct needle. In 1987, the district education office found out about this and he was paid. In the end, Pak Long then voluntarily the surrendered to the Federal Territory National Anti-Drug Agency (AADK) office. After recovering from his addiction, AADK appointed Pak Long as a peer counselor (PRS) to help other addicts who are in the same situation as him to undergo treatment. Drug is substance that harms or destroys the person who uses it continuously. There are many types of drugs, among which are first is opiates and synthetic opiates. Opiate and synthetic opiates are derived from the poppy plant. Rubber is extracted from poppies, then dried and processed into opiate drugs, namely opium, morphine, and heroin. Second is stimulant. Psychoactive chemicals that stimulate the activity of the central nervous system. There are two types of stimulant, namely amphetamines or amphetamine types stimulant, ATH and cocaine. This is the example picture of amphetamine or amphetamine type stimulant, and this is cocaine, uh, and this is the picture cocaine, and this is the tree of cocaine. Third is cannabis. Cannabis is very complex substance and contains at least 421 types of chemical, of which tetrahydrocannabinol is the main psychoactive. And four is hallucinogen. Hallucinogen is type of natural drug and synthetic that alter sensory perception. It changes the visual field and causes illusion so that it is difficult to distinguish true and false. Five is depress. Depression medication also includes sedative and tranquilizer medication. This drug act in the human spinal nervous system to slow down or stop bodily function. Drug abuse will have a negative impact on the drug addicts themselves. Addicts will distance themselves from the general public and associate only with group of addicts, traffickers, and criminals. Basically, the addict will become weak in energy, lazy, and looks like in an illusion. Then, impact on the family. Addicts will make degrading dignity and reputation family. Also, can divorce and domestic violence occur among family members. These things make their children neglect and in turn invite social problems. Furthermore, impact on society. They will threaten public order with criminal incidents such as robbery. Lastly, impact on the nation. The country and society have to bear high costs as a result of the ongoing problem of drug abuse like loss due to reduction of economic productivity. And this is pie chart of drug category for the period January-June until June 2020, which opium or psychotropic and other have 1%, cannabis have 3%, and opiate have uh, 35.70%, and amphetamine type stimulant has 60.30%. Um, in conclusion, drug abuse will have a negative impact on various parties. Therefore, let us work together in tackling the problem of drug abuse so that we can live in peace and tranquility. Thank you.